Let him tip that over.
Roll the top.
He's got to figure that out first.
Double protection. He concentrates very hard when he's working on something. It's almost like a scowl on his face.
Okay.
Haha, I figured it out.
Get back here.
See, we're not going to give him toys. We're just going to buy boxes of Cheez-its.
There you go.
Why not?
Give him a box of Cheez-Its,
Some socks.
a roll of paper towels, and some socks. It's next Christmas.
Oh.
Oh, did you see the camera now?
You wave to the camera,
Wait,
Dylan?
I'm on camera.
I agree.
Okay.
What, you want more? Mama's right there. Cracker. Good boy. Oh, no, you do have that open. Take one out. Say thank you.
Close enough.
I tried.
One more. More. Is that what that was?
No, that's the whole box.
Yes.
Yes, I would like to hold the whole box
Give me the
in
box.
air and catch what I can in my mouth.
Dad!
It's the life lesson I'm teaching you.
See, Daddy, you don't like to put the tease you with food.
Oh!
Uh-oh. Man overboard.
I don't
I
want that
don't
one.
fell on the floor.
Grr.
You can have the whole box. It's open.
How do Christine and Matt like the new house? Are they in yet?
Oh, yeah. They've been in since
Oh, that's right. You didn't you help?
August, yeah. The week after, was it after or before? I don't remember. But, no, they like it.
Before what?
Matt was cutting the lawn with his nice new lawnmower. Ran over a stump. Lawnmower don't work anymore.
Wasn't that the first time you used it?
Second time.
Did they get like a warranty or anything on it?
I don't think so. I don't think the warranty would cover it anyway.
They don't know. Just to
I
get
don't-
out, this stopped working.
I don't know, but
I have no recollection of running
Should've
anything
nice,
over that I
shiny,
shouldn't
brand
have.
new lawnmower don't work anymore.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Oh, that stinks.
So.
We're trying to convince Christine to get a dog.
Bye.
When Emily was over at New Year's, I was like, Emily, you want doggy? She's like, yeah. I'm like, tell your mom. And she looks at Mom. Mommy, I want doggy. Christine walks up to me and pinches me. She's like, stop that. Because Matt already wants one.
Oh,
So
nice.
now she got- No. No. What, you want me to let go? You're going to fall if I let go.
Yay! I'm doing it myself.
You gonna go night-night?
Please?
See you later.
Later.
Bye-bye.
Put like a little beanbag chair in the corner, you know, like you were a Cocker Spaniel or something.
Night-night. Get your bed ready. What are you so happy about? Don't even try it.
I'm coming to get you.
Hey,
Can we not do that, please?
hold down, please. Dylan. Hey. That's going over.
Yeah, it is.
That's right.
Oh, look what
That's
happens. You want the one on the bottom, don't you?
You know that one.
Oh.
Tracy's like this.
Yay! More noisemakers.
You ready? Watch. Oh my gosh, they're stuck together.
Now they're stuck.
Don't make noise now.
They're stuck.
Oh,
Not anymore.
there you go.
Now they make noise again. Now stuck together again? There you go. Prove your superhuman strength.
So are you busy at work or are you cool right now?
Slowed down a lot lately. This week was pretty slow.
Yeah.
I was reading that the alternative minimum tax changes are going to make you guys like reprint a whole ton of stuff.
Oh yeah, they already. Not me though, but yeah, a lot of the other guys I work with were flipping out the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Look what you did.
Good boy. Hey, there's a whole box of that stuff over there.
So okay, but these two make noise.
Did anyone ever help Carol and Steve move in?